the essential, the Ronaldo kits and accessories. How can I go anywhere without a Ronaldo kit? Anywhere I go, I always have to show my love. I always have to show my support.
What's your favorite kit?
My favorite kit? 2008 away Ronaldo kit, black and red. Obviously, I have to always wear the Ronaldo watch as well. Always gotta bring this. This is 50K, and this Ronaldo chain is 50K as well. What I really like about this is like, it has diamonds on his kit. And it has diamonds like right here too. The boots has diamonds. Everything what he's wearing, it has diamonds. Sanjay from TP made this chain, by the way. Just like, you know, I'm the biggest Ronaldo fan, so I gotta carry, oh yeah, hey, come here. But aside from everything, you know, I gotta bring all this shit with me, you know? Like every time I fly on a plane, you know, I have to bring his presence, you know, his aura, you know? This aura's coming out of that. This is the man, you know? Gotta do what I gotta do.